Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with a review of Griffin's Survivor Endurance case for the Samsung Galaxy S10. Now this is the first time I've ever taken a look at one of the endurance cases before, but from what I've been able to tell so far, it's pretty solid. It's got 10 feet of drop protection. It's got 40% extra protection over other competitive materials. It utilizes this FortiCore technology that they have. And then it's also slim and it's got a nice grip on the side. So overall, it's got a lot of good things going for it. The price tag, it is a little hefty. It comes in at $39.99, but it also has hefty quality and hefty drop protection. So let's take a look at it on the phone. This is the box that mine came in. The box that it comes in, if you buy one online, should look a lot nicer. I do have another Survivor box here so you can see kind of what it looks like. This is the same one except for the iPhone XR, so you won't get this brown cardboard box. Overall, the first thing that I really noticed with this one is the back feels very flat. It's very minimal. It's not thick at all, so it feels like an extension of the phone. Now, the grips on the side do make it stick out a little bit wider than the chassis on the phone, so it doesn't feel quite as thin that way, but it doesn't add a whole lot of thickness to it. So you got that going for you. It has this pebbled design here. You can kind of see right there. Let's see if I can get a closer up look for you. There we go. You can see how it's got, they call it pebbled design. So it's got this extra texture on the sides that allows you to have better grip. It has a recessed cutout there for the camera protection on the back. So in the event that you take your phone and you place it down, you don't have to worry about the back of getting scratched up and messing up your cameras, which is one of the most important parts of this phone, along with the biometric sensor, the LED flash. Now the buttons are also great. Good, solid, tactile response on them. They are a little bit harder to press than some cases that I reviewed before. So not the easiest to press. I'd imagine that over time they'll break in, but the case feels very rugged and durable. I do like it. It comes in two different colors. It comes in light gray and clear. And then this is the black and gray model that I have, but it's translucent on the back. The other one, if you want to get the white one, it's clear on the back. You can still make out where it says Samsung and the Galaxy and all that good stuff on here. So you can still see through it a little bit. It has the raised bezel protection around the edges there, so you can see that it's reinforced around the edges and then on the top. So that way if you take your phone and you place it flat down on a surface like that, it should be fine. Of course, hopefully you still have the factory screen protector or a different one installed on it. And then here we have good cutouts to get to the USB-C connector as well as the headphone jack. Now you can see that that's very narrow there. It's not a very large opening at all to try and get anything inside the headphone jack, so you might be out of luck if you want to use anything other than the ones that came with it or something that has a small connector on it. And then here you can see that not very wide cutout and it's kind of deep, so you might have trouble getting any sort of an adapter in there, so that's something you need to worry about. There's a good opening for the speakers for the sound to carry out of there well, and you got the nice Survivor logo there on the side. So overall, I think it's a well-constructed, well-designed case. It is something nice and new. It'll keep your phone protected for sure with the 10 feet of drop protection. And the way they do it is they go out and they drop it on the concrete from 10 feet and test it multiple times to make sure that it's going to hold up. So you do have that. And yeah, all in all, it's just a solid case. It's a good option. Griffin makes some pretty good protective cases. I've used several of them over the years and they've held up well. You just got to pay 40 bucks to get one. So like I said, if you're interested in picking one up, you can get it for $39.99. You can check them out on their website, griffintechnology.com. It's another solid option that's out there that's a little bit on the minimalistic side whenever it comes to heftiness and bulk, but it is very protective and it's made out of quality material and it'll keep you going. So that's all I've got for the Survivor Endurance case made by Griffin for the Samsung Galaxy S10. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back with you. And as always, I'll see you guys next time.